Congratulations on your new purchase of your Thrustmaster. Today I'm going to show you how you can get it connected to your PS5. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, locate the sliding switch on your T80 and ensure it's set to PS4 mode. This setting is crucial for PS5 compatibility and proper recognition by your console. Unplug the wheel completely, press and hold the PS button on the wheel while connecting to your USB cable directly to your PS5. Release the PS button and then press it again to validate your session. Now you'll need to verify your connection. So check that the wheel's LED is solid and not flashing. A solid light confirms the racing wheel mode is active and your wheel is properly recognized by your PS5. Additional setup requirements. So if the LED flashes, your wheel is stuck in gamepad mode, which causes control malfunctions and input delays during your gameplay. Always plug directly into the PS5's USB ports. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables, as they can really interfere with proper communication between the two devices. And then model compatibility. So these instructions are specifically for the T80. Other Thrustmaster models may require different setup procedures. You need to check the official documentation. However, this is a good general setup for most of the models. If your connection issues persist, try different USB ports on the PS5. The front ports do sometimes provide more stable connections for racing peripherals.